Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly forecast, weekly horoscope, recommendations, predictions, solutions, task of the week, precaution of the week, and chanting of the week from Aries to Pisces. Aries, for this coming week. This coming week, you'll have to face a lot of struggle, but even then, the situation will be much better than before. Aries, a lot of your time will be wasted on fruitless tasks, useless things. You got to organize your time, energy, and your work. Don't be fooled or taken in by someone's talk. People will try to sell you a dream. This is not the right time to make a commitment like that. And at the same time, try not to be overly suspicious. Under any circumstances, do not adopt a negative attitude. Once you manage to maintain a balanced state of mind, you'll be succeed in getting what you want. Aries, do not move towards negativity. Your expenditure will be quite high. Health-wise, you must take care of your eyesight, any sharp pain in the body. Sometimes you can be mentally a bit confused or any issue linked with blood and urine. You have to see your doctor. Please do not involve yourself in any kind of an argument or conflict. Through communication this week, you will get some opportunities for yourself. If your profession is that of acting, or you are a media presenter, or you're working in an IT sector, or a consultant or teacher, this week will bring a remarkable achievement for you. You must prepare for a change, as change is inevitable, and this will happen in both personal life and professional life. Aries, a romantic meeting will happen this week. Some new things will take place that are much better than before. Please stay balanced. Don't be fooled. Keep your attitude positive. Have a confidence in yourself. Be determined and focused. This is your real strength. Aries, task of the week. Time to time, donate 6 kg sugar to temple. Put a 7 square pieces of fine silver in a silver water in a steel jug. Donate pure woolen jumper, brown color, to a religious priest or religious person. Precaution of the week. Refrain from any living conflict or argument. Chanting of the week for Aries. Om Harim Garim Harim Om. Om Harim Garim Harim Om. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscope. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more daily contents including monthly, yearly horoscopes and miscellaneous astrological information like Kalsarap Yog, Pitri Debts, Mangalik Dosh. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, and also if you have any comments, questions or suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me a comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. And is there any chance you can synchronize your past week with my past weekly horoscope, or synchronize your last month with my last month's monthly horoscope? Tell me how much forecast what I've given to you in the past apply to you. So let me know. If you have any questions about yourself, why don't you send me an email, prakash@prakashastrologer.com. I'll be back with a lot more contents. Look after yourself. Good luck. Bye-bye.